small town near St. Petersburg. Ticket there and back, $1. Спасибо. Everybody, this is Tsarskoye Selo, the city of Pushkin. And let me just show you beautiful station of Tsarskoye Selo, the interior. So, all right. Beautiful, guys, simply beautiful. Check out these chandeliers. Ticket sales. $17.99 to $19.49. Let's go to another one. This is probably all original, guys, or at least 19th century. Oh my god, look at this. This is normal station, guys. Just normal. Look at the ceiling over here. The detail amount. Partially actually also Soviet, I believe. Check out the clock over here. Simply awesome. And here's, of course, Pushkin himself. Because the name Tsarskoye Selo refers to the Tsars, village of the Tsars. Then it was named Pushkin during the Soviet times. Alright, that was it from Pushkin and or Tsarskoye Selo. Small snippets into the world of Tsarskoye Selo.